Eraswap token is subject to market risk. Read Eraswap white paper, terms and conditions, and roadmap before participating.
Book events anytime in peer-to-peer mode with Eraswap blockchain-powered BookingDApp. BookingDApp is a marketplace where one can list their upcoming events and sell seats online to its customers in peer-to-peer mode without any multi-layer middleman interference. All you have to do is complete your KYC so that you can start listing your events on BookingDApp. Any event organization or individual artists can create their Eraswap wallet and list their events on BookingDApp. The buyer can simply visit the event page and pay for events using their Eraswap tokens, which is accepted globally. There will be 1% of fuel from the users for the exchange of services. Further, this fuel will be rewarded back to buyers and sellers, introducers and their day swappers tree respectively. In addition, the event organizers can announce additional incentives to Eraswap community to promote their events and bring more people on board. Let's learn how to use BookingDApp. How to log into BookingDApp.
Step 1. Click on the Connect to Wallet button, and choose Buy Eraswap Life. Step 2. You'll be redirected to Eraswap Life. Click on Load Wallet, choose anyone, key store file or access through mnemonic or private key. If you don't have Eraswap Wallet, you can create it. If accessing through key store file, then choose the key store file, enter the password, click on Load Wallet. If accessing through private key, then enter your private key, click on Access Wallet. If accessing the mnemonics, then follow these steps, enter your mnemonics, click on Access My Wallet.
How to list your event. Step 1. Click on Create Event. Step 2. Fill in required event details. Please do mention your contact details like mail ID, phone number, brand, social media page or swapper's wall page, so the buyers can communicate with you directly, middleman free. Step 3. Mention incentive. Step 4. Click on Submit. Your event is now listed on BookingDApp. Do not forget to reach your customers once listed. Please note that BookingDApp is a decentralized middleman-free platform and it do not collect customers' data to reach them. You should do your own marketing after listing to promote your events, so buyers can come to visit your BookingDApp link and transact with you in peer-to-peer using Eraswap native tokens. You can also do the marketing on a decentralized social network, Swapper's Wall, or you can offer promotional incentives to Eraswap community to promote your business. How to book an event ticket. Step 1. Scroll down and click on the event you want to book an event. Step 2. Scroll down and click on Book Tickets. Step 3. Select the seat type and no of seats you want to book, by mentioning. Step 4. Click on Buy Tickets. Step 5. Copy your transaction hash, which will be required later for validation. Where can I see my event tickets? Step 1. Click on My Tickets. Here you can see you already bought a ticket. If any events and cancelled unexpectedly, your tickets will move to expired tickets. How to cancel the event you created. Step 1. Scroll down and open your created event. Step 2. Here you can see the seats that are already booked. Step 3. Click on Cancel Event to cancel. Now that you know all the steps, start listing events on Eraswap blockchain-based BookingDApp and save unnecessary middleman charges and experience zero multi-layer middleman interference.